Hello, everyone. Welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. In desktop automation, one of the most important techniques is crop. A good crop can make the automation process more stable and save development time. When using the desktop automation module to operate software on a computer, many functionalities cannot be accessed through keyboard shortcuts. In such cases, we can use cropping to capture screenshots of specific areas. If the screenshots are captured accurately, Emily can precisely identify that area and perform actions such as moving the mouse cursor to click on specific locations or other operations based on the captured area's coordinates. This video aims to teach you how to capture high-quality screenshots to make the automation process more accurate and smoother. Next, let's demonstrate how to capture screenshots using desktop automation. Open Emily's training mode, navigate to the desktop automation module, and click on Open Trainer UI. Once open, launch the calculator application available on both Mac and Windows systems. Suppose we want to use desktop automation to interact with the calculator and click on a specific number. In that case, we can capture screenshots of the numbers inside. For instance, if we want to click on the number 1, we need to capture a screenshot of the number 1. How do we do that? Click on the circular button in the middle of the top menu, resembling a camera icon, to capture a screenshot of the entire screen. Then, click on the screen icon on the left side to view the full screen screenshot we just captured. Locate the number 1 on the screen, and starting from the top left corner, click and drag the mouse cursor to create a pink draggable area covering the entire number 1. Drag it to the desired size, covering the entire number 1, and release the mouse button. You will see a new menu appear. Select the second option, Crop, to capture the part of the screen we just selected. Below the screenshot, you will find two options: Add Crop and Discard. If everything looks good, click Add Crop to save this screenshot to the workspace. If you are not satisfied with the screenshot, you can click Discard to discard it and try again. Next, you might be curious about the purpose of the mask feature at the top. Let's click Discard first and return to the calculator. Take a close look at all the number keys on the calculator. Imagine if you were looking at them from a distance. Wouldn't you feel that these number keys look almost the same due to the color configuration? This is also the principle behind Emily's recognition of screenshots. Emily will determine the most suitable image based on the shape of the screenshot, the proportion of colors in the screenshot, and the resolution, among other factors. Therefore, a screen with vibrant colors will help Emily distinguish between different areas more easily. However, for applications like the calculator where the keys have only two colors and the white parts are in the middle, it may confuse Emily. To address this issue, you can use the mask feature to assist Emily. The mask removes unnecessary parts of the image to make it easier for Emily to recognize. Let's capture the screenshot of the number 1 again. Open the mask feature above and using the left mouse button, click along the white areas in the image. You will see the clicked areas turn into a pink background, and only the pink areas will be saved when you click Add Crop. The non-pink areas will be discarded. Finally, click Add Crop. To view the captured images, click on the photo icon. You will see all the screenshots we took. You will notice that the image we masked has its surrounding gray areas removed. Emily will use this image, which resembles the shape of 1, to search for areas with similar shapes and colors for recognition. The keys that originally look similar to 1, such as 7, will now be skipped due to the difference in shape after masking, allowing Emily to accurately identify 1. Finally, if you want to further utilize these screenshots, click on the menu icon on the image. There are various functions available, which will be explained in other videos. If you no longer need the screenshot, you can click on the trash can icon to delete it. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.